Going to talk about a new AI assistant released by JetPack, which you can implement in your website and easily use chat gpt like features. So for this feature you have to upload and activate the plugin jetpack into your website, and you have to connect your WordPress account with it. Then when you come to blog editor, you can see a beautiful AI assistant icon here. You can click on it and here a box will appear. So if you say let's give it a try, provide me 10 keyword ideas regarding washing machine. So just click and enter, and you can see here the Jetpack AI assistant has provided us the 10 keyword ideas regarding washing machines. That response time is quite fast. So you can also generate an article from here. So let's take a keyword like, okay, pasted it, and now let's tell him to write an article. Now write an article regarding this topic and make sure to write in first person of. Don't use any kind of complicated words. Just keep all the things simple. Use NSI keywords in content and make it more relevant and resourceful for the users. Okay, so you can see now. Let's click enter, and wow, you can see that the Jetpack AI assistant is creating helpful content for us, which so you don't have to go to ChatGPT and face the internal errors or time limit errors. You can just click here, provide your prompt, and it will generate it into your WordPress blog editor. And the article length is quite good, as you can see. So to accept or use this content, you just simply need to click on accept, and it will be pasted into your blog editor. Now you can simply use this article into your website by little bit of editing. So I'm using the free version. Let's check out the free what we get into the free version. So in you can see this in the free version there are some limitations. You will not get all the benefits of this AI. You will have a little bit of limitation which you can find on the Jetpack official website. So let's check it out. I forgot where I have seen that. Okay, so as you can see, we have found the page elevative content, and it will prompt based content generation. 14 days money back guarantee. You will get 14 days money back guarantee. Title summary optimization, superior spelling and grammar check, adoption tone adjustments, and many more. You can use it, but for now I am using the free plan, which I have some limitations. I guess like 30 or 34 or 24 prompt can be given by me in the free version. So if you find this tool helpful, you can use it by purchasing it with this price. And but for now, for testing purpose, I have shown you the free version of Jetpack AI Assistant. So if we check, there are many more features of Jetpack AI Assistant which you can find on the here AI Assistant icon. And let's check what it provides us: correct spelling and grammar. So you can correct the spelling or grammar from here, or you can also use we all use the grammarly extension to do that. It also have an extra option there to simplify the whole content or to summarize the whole content. And the most important thing is you can actually expand the content by click on that expand button, or you can change the tone, formal, informational, or anything you want. You can also translate the content with, and this is the most important thing, I guess, which has been provided by Jetpack AI Assistant. So let's try it out if it works or not. Let's try the Arabic. So you can see the title. I have selected the title, so the title has been translated to Arabic. So you can also do international blogging with this AI with the help of this Jetpack AI. Let's find out more. So as you can see, if I took the whole content and click on it and just provide him and just tell him to summarize the content, then it will provide a summary of the whole content, which you can use for the SERP optimization. So as you can see, the output is very good. You can check it by installing and activating the Jetpack plugin into your WordPress website, and you can find the AI on your blog editor. So this is the end of this video. Hope you will like it and subscribe our channel for more informational AI content.